Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're getting an issue on Windows 10 versus that an app default was reset. So there could be different issues that are creating this problem. So if you are perhaps using a different third-party application that is using file associations that may not be correct, or if you're using a Microsoft account and a local account on your computer, it could be creating an issue as you are flipping between different account types. So I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it in that case, because that's definitely much more achievable in terms of a result. Other way around, it's a little bit more generic, so I really don't know how I really go about showing that in a generic video such as this, but I'm going to show you guys how to do it if you're using a Microsoft account on your computer. So we're going to jump into it and start by left clicking on the start button one time to open up the start menu. Left click on the settings gear icon on the left side, where if you hover over it, it says settings. Left click on that. Now you want to go left click on the accounts tile. Now on the left side, click on your information, and where it says sign in with a Microsoft account instead, left click on that. At this point you will go ahead and just type in the credentials of your Microsoft account. Hopefully you don't actually have to create one. If you had to create one, this tutorial is probably not going to be applicable for you, but if perhaps you're signed out of your Microsoft account, try signing in here and then try and relaunch the application and see if you are still experiencing the problem, or perhaps it has all been synced up and you're good to go, which is always the hope of tutorials on this channel. So I do have this brief tutorial, was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.